So my name's Jack Astbury. I've been turning for about 6 years, part-time. Things I like to make are bowls, like one here, and stools. I really like sort of more practical things that are used in everyday situations, like stools and bowls, not so much like the art side of things, so things that people are quite happy to touch, potentially bash around, and yeah, so they've got to be quite sturdy. Yeah, so God, I'm busting.
What are your hopes for the future?
My hopes? I really hope to become a full-time woodworker in general, whether that's kind of partial furniture, part turning, but both of those two things incorporated, exactly like the stools. So the reason I started making the stools was because I really like the aspect of the two combining. Like there's the traditional techniques from woodworking, so like the through tenons, which I sort of loved, and yeah, so that's my sort of hope. Potentially in 2 to 3 years. I've got 2 young children, so when both those guys are at school, it's going to be a lot easier to have a lot more free time.
So what made you sign up for the Emerging Makers Workshop?
I actually saw it on Richard's Instagram page. I saw it pop up, and I actually asked my girlfriend permission. I'm not really a permission kind of person, but I did say to her, look, I've seen this thing, I actually don't know too much about it. I've seen a post from someone who I really respect and I'd love to get in a room with and just spend a few days with. What do you think? And she said straight off the bat, she said, you went and did a course with Glenn Lucas, and that was probably the happiest she'd seen me in a long time. When I came back from that, I was super engaged. Glenn was incredible, and yeah, and that sort of pushed me to come onto this. And yeah, same situation here. Incredible teachers.
Thank you, Jack.
That's all right.